In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size and font style in Outlook. We'll cover both classic Outlook on the desktop and the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, so you can make your emails look clean and consistent, no matter which version you are using. A quick way to tell the difference. Classic Outlook has a file menu in the top left, while the new Outlook and the web version rely on a gear icon for settings. If you are in Classic Outlook, start by opening the File menu. Then choose Options. In the window that appears, select Mail. Look for the Compose Messages section and click Stationery and Fonts. This is where you control how your text appears. Under New Mail Messages, click Font. You'll see options to pick your preferred typeface. Choose a style like regular or bold and set the size. Pick something that's easy to read and suits your needs. Calibri, Arial, or similar sans serif fonts are common choices for clarity. And sizes around 11 or 12 often work well for most screens. When you are happy with your selection, your new messages will use that formatting automatically. Still in the same stationery and fonts window, T here is a separate option for replying or forwarding messages. Use this if you want replies and forwards to look different from new messages. Some people like a slightly smaller size for reply chains, or a simpler style to keep long threads tidy. Set the font, style, and size here the same way as before, so your replies and forwards follow your preference. If you are using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, click the gear icon for settings. Then select Mail and open Compose and Reply. Scroll to the Message Format section. Here, customize your font, size, and style just the way you want. When you've finished, click Save. These settings will apply to your future messages, including new emails and replies, so your formatting stays consistent as you write. That's it. Thanks for watching.